Assalamualaikum. I hope you are well. The topic is about difference between the elements and atom. Before discussing video, I request to all my friends to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's go to today's topic. We have different site open. Let's take a look at one of them. Many people might think atoms and elements are the same. However, atoms and elements do have a few differences. When you start breaking it down, the main differences elements are made of atoms. Learn other differences between atoms and elements by dissecting these two terms. Explore example of elements and atom. What is an atom? You might have heard the term atom thrown around in chemistry, and there is a good reason for that. It's extremely important. Every compound, molecule, or element you come across will be made of atoms. For example, humans are made of atoms, air is made of atoms, your computer made of atoms, everything is made of atoms. This is why you cannot begin to understand the difference between atoms and elements without the first understanding what an atom is and what is made of. Simply, but atoms are the building blocks of elements. There are some of the smallest bits of what you would call ordinary matter. Structure of atom, like everything else, atoms have a few different things floating around inside of them. These subatomic particles include what is an element with the atoms out of the way. It's time to look at elements. If you have ever seen a periodic table of elements, then you probably have some idea of what elements are. But to break it down into a simple definition, elements are all the different types of atoms we know exist on Earth. They are arranged by their atomic numbers on the periodic table and elements. For example, gold is an element. If you were to hold a chunk of pure gold is your hand element. Other elements include hydrogen, boron, carbon, neon, magnesium, silicon, scroll down it further. Elements and atomic number. What is different between element, atom, molecule? With the atoms and elements are cleared up, it's important to understand the difference between a molecule and an atom, because like all things in the world, elements and molecules are both made of atoms. You know, elements are all the different types of atoms on the periodic table. Molecules are what you get when those atoms are combined. Unlike elements, molecules can be made from the same or different elements. The key to a molecule is that two or more atoms are bonded together. For example, water is a molecule made of hydrogen and oxygen. It's actually made of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. You can also have molecules of a single atom bonded together like two oxygen atoms. This makes up to oxygen human breathe. I hope you like the video. See you in our next video.